I'm Madison, so I'm starting a new YouTube channel. So we're gonna do a vlog today, and it's gonna be like a day in the life of like a high school senior, or I might do a week in the life. So me and Caitlin, this is Caitlin, say hi. We go to a private school, and we're just gonna take you around today, and yeah. So I was running late to school today, and I was gonna get Starbucks because I was like, man, I really want a tea, and I was like, gotta do it for the vlog, gonna be basic, but like didn't. But I did get up to kind of do my makeup. It's not really good, I'm not good at makeup. I did a little concealer, a little bronzer, some powder. I don't really know what the stuff is called. My mom just gets it, I pop it on. You know, yeah. So, you guys ready for this? Yes, I am. So, Caitlin's birthday was yesterday, so she's old. She's 18. Still waiting for my birthday. Gonna come soon. Yeah. We gotta go inside soon. We have yearbook for first class, but that'll be interesting. We're gonna see how much I can film today. I'm really not good at this YouTube stuff yet. This is a test run vlog. Sorry if anything's out of focus or just not good. Like right now, didn't even flip the thing up to see myself. Like, so my head's cut off. Caitlin isn't cut off. Then, you know, okay. So, yep. Woo! Catherine, what are your socks?
Prison Mike.
Who?
Prison Mike.
Okay guys, do you see this little speck up there? That is a stink bug, and it's been up there the whole year since August. It's currently December, and it's dead, and it's been clinging to the ceiling. Oh, I kind of got out of view. Well, yep, this proves I am awful at vlogging. Currently editing our pages. My page sucks. There's Caitlin. Yeah. So this is my club I started. It's very loud in here. It's called SETA, Students for the Ethical Treatment of Animals. Yeah. My page again, very bad. But I will see you later in a different class. I'm gonna keep eating this Special K.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Say hi to the vlog. It's on.
Try
Are you gonna vlog the Oscars?
Yes.
I didn't bring anything to wear. Okay, so we're having the imposters today.
So we all made short films for our drama class, and we all voted on our favorites in a bunch of different categories. We got dressed up and we're giving out some awards.
Woo!
I also have my business card for like one of these Optimum suits.
Yeah. Okay. So for the imposters, these are our outfits. Fake fur coat, faux fur velvet, sparkly, velvet dress, got the band, got the heels.
Yeah.
So, tell me about your outfit today.
So it's basketball game day, so of course you got the sweater, the pants, and then we're doing these imposters, Oscars for our drama class, and I had to look bougie, so I got my king cake.
All right, looking good. This is the lineup of the food. Got some scrumptious cookies. Nom nom nom.
So many amazing actors and actresses. You all look lovely tonight.
Thank you.
Hey, actually, people too. By the way, Catherine Rock looking as gorgeous as ever this evening.
Those shoes,
Oh, it's so zoomed
that
in.
dress, as Hollywood would say.
Okay, Nick, that's enough.
Also, shout out to my teacher back home, Mrs. Jonkey. You know, so many people said, Nick, you'll never be an Imposters host one day. But she told me I could do it. Thank you, Ms. Jonkey. We are so good. Oh, wait, no.
The categories for this evening are Best Score, Best Supporting Actress, Best Supporting Actor, Best Actress, Best Actor, Best Director, and Best Picture. So the winner of Best Score is... Oh, there seems to be two. Substitute Teacher and Typical.
Hey,
Oh, Nick.
Zoom in, like.
Speech.
After a long journey, stressful days of napping and stuff like that, I want to thank God and our fans, you know, that supported us through this long journey. And Vito, that's in the crowd, didn't want to come up. This award, such a blessing.
Right. Well, I don't know.
Where's
I didn't
Susie?
have speech prepared because
Where's Susie?
and I think we were gonna win. So, just want to shout out to Susie Budrovich, who's not here. Thanks, I guess. All right, that's all.
Maddie Vandegraaff.
Oh. Yes, Maddie! She made it.
Get up next day.
I'm good.
Cookie?
Yeah, Maddie.
I just want to say thank you to my family, my cat, everyone else. Couldn't have done it without you guys. That's it.
Yes, Maddie! I don't know how to turn this off. There she is! This is so soon.
So we won Best Picture,
A-dubs, and best score.
So, you know, we're just racking up the dubs.
For our movie, Typical. And then I got this little...
Nice, Maddie.
Okay, hey guys, I'm back. I'm on break. So my school does something different than normal schools. Instead of having a class after class after class, we do a college schedule. So that means I have breaks, so they can be from like 20 minutes to an hour to 2 hours, depending on how hard of your classes you have. So right now I've been on break since like 11 something, and I don't have class till 1:45. So again.
Are you done?
So we're at lunch. Sorry, I forgot to show you guys what I ate. Kind of just got hungry and ate it. Yeah. I'm playing cup pong. Cup pong. Yeah. Say hi to the vlog. Yeah. I had blueberries, hummus, pita chips. Girl, get it. And I had some cereal earlier. Some water. Yep. That's it. See ya later. So I just got out of school, and usually I go to the gym right now because it's my off season. During fall time I play field hockey, and during the spring I play soccer. But during the winter I don't do a sport, so I need to get a little exercise in. But today hasn't been really the best of days. I've been kind of feeling kind of crappy. My ears hurt really bad. I went to the doctor yesterday, and I have this fluid buildup by my eardrum, and that's like the start of an ear infection. Now it might not turn into one, or it could, so it irritates your eardrum and really makes it hurt. So after it hurting and stuff, I get a headache, and I don't know, I have a lot of stuff to do, so I just decided not to go. It makes me feel really guilty not to go to work out, but you know, it is what it is, and I don't know if I might take a nap or what I might do. I just kind of not feeling well, but I did stop and get a Starbucks. I like the strawberry refresher with light ice. Very good. Also, for anyone wondering, it is snowing, and I just got home. Also, the camera that I'm using to vlog is a Canon G7X Mark II. It's like a vlogging camera. I can put the link in the description. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later. This is my cat, Sadie. She's just the latest. Hi, baby. You're gonna see a lot of her in my vlogs, because literally obsessed with her. She's so cute, so nice. My little girl. So this is what I'm having for dinner. It's veggie tacos. There's lettuce, onion, sweet potato, spinach, peas, corn. I might put some salsa on top. Oh, there's also onions. Yep, that's it. Yum, yum, yum. Okay guys, so this is the end of the vlog. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you sometime next week. Bye.